So back in the early days of crypto, there was only one cryptocurrency wallet, the Bitcoin Core wallet. And this is where you stored your Bitcoin, and you had to transfer to an exchange in order to trade it. Okay, so anyone who had Bitcoin in the early days would store it on their Bitcoin Core wallet, which would be stored on a hard drive. And that's why we have these horror stories now of some people losing lots and lots of Bitcoin because they threw out the computers that they stored their Bitcoin on. They would have been storing that through the Bitcoin Core wallet. And since then, in the last 10 years, there have been many, many, many new wallets created for different cryptocurrencies that are basically based on the Bitcoin Core wallet. The same features are very similar between all wallets. If you want to store Bitcoin, then go for the Bitcoin Core wallet. Okay, you can't store anything else other than Bitcoin, but it does it extremely well, and you'll be able to access your Bitcoin through a desktop application by downloading the app. Okay, it is decentralized. It's everything you need in order to store Bitcoin. However, you can't store anything else using it. I'm going to be using a multi-asset wallet called Polis Pay. Which allows you to store more than one cryptocurrency, different types of cryptocurrency in the same wallet. Okay, there are many, many, many contenders for different crypto wallets. Blockchain.com has one that you can access using your phone. And also you need to look at the specific way you're going to be interacting with your wallet, because some only support desktop, some only support mobile, and there are still others that are decentralized. So a recent decentralized wallet was released by Crypto.com, where you don't actually store your assets on any device at all. You just have access to them using your keys on the blockchain. Okay, so they're effectively stored on every node of that cryptocurrency, and your name is certificated into it, basically. Okay, so you're not actually storing it anywhere. So if you lose your phone, if you lose your laptop, if anything happens, you still have access to your crypto. And this will be further explained in section 6, which is very exciting, the DeFi space, allowing you to really, really insure your assets. For now, though, what we're going to be doing is going to be using Polis Pay to store your crypto on your laptop or your phone or a device, basically. Okay, and obviously, if you have that device and you lose it, then you do lose your crypto, but you can also back up your crypto, and that is explained further on in this section as well. And the more backups you have, the more redundancy you have if anything were to happen. So short of actually going fully decentralized, you can, this is the kind of next step in securing your assets and using a hardware wallet rather than using an exchange where it's fully live all the time. Okay. There are also specific wallets for each crypto project. So this is Horizon, which is a cryptocurrency project that I follow. They have their own wallets, and it only takes the Zen crypto. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so you'll find that as you explore cryptocurrencies and different crypto projects, there are certain wallets, certain cores, certain downloads that only support that particular cryptocurrency project. Okay, now as the crypto space matures and develops further, there may be more cross-referencing of different crypto wallets with different institutions. But for example, Ethereum, you can pretty much look through as many different wallets as you like. There are 20, 30, 40, 50 wallets even. Okay, and they all do slightly different things. They all have slightly different properties. MetaMask is a decentralized wallet that I'll be exploring in section 6 as well. But they all have different features, all have different aspects to them, basically. But as I say, I'll be using Polis to demonstrate using this demo, just because it is fairly intuitive, fairly straightforward, and everything that I do in this demo you'll be able to do on any other wallet fairly intuitively, following the same steps. So this is Polis Pay. This is a wallet. Disregard this for a second. This is actually something I set up earlier using my Trezor hardware wallet, but let's actually just create a new wallet and see how straightforward it is. So we just go to this add button, and we go to here. We can create a new wallet name, so IP 2021, and you need to select a seed option. Okay, so if you wanted to set up a Trezor wallet, as is the example further on in this section, a hardware wallet to actually store your crypto on a device, then you'd select this one. At the moment though, I'm going to select random. You can import different crypto wallets. So say for example you already have a crypto wallet and you just want to access it through Polis Pay, you can do that. The safe and unsafe versions I presume are something to do with the encryption. This is the encrypted version, this is the unencrypted version. Okay, so let's click on random and create wallet. I'm going to say no to encrypting my wallet for the time being because I want to demonstrate to you how that is done. So let's click no. There we go. That is now a crypto wallet, and I can theoretically add these cryptocurrencies to it. So all I would need to do in order to add Ethereum, for example, is click this, and now I have a balance, and I can click that and go to the recipient. So if I want to send it or if I want to download it, okay, or receive cryptocurrencies. So this is actually queuing me now to keep a paper copy of my key. Okay, so we're going to have a look at that now. So let's go back and let's go to the encryption. So this is the encryption area, and you have to put a password in order to encrypt it. So I'm going to choose a very insecure password because this is a demo. So that is now encrypted. Okay, so if I wanted to do anything, I would have to type in that password in order to send, receive, etc. Okay, so I'm going to go to the options now, and I'm going to look at the paper or master key. Okay, so I need to obviously decrypt my wallet because I just encrypted it. So this is going to tell me that, are you being watched? This is fine because I'm going to delete this wallet as soon as this video is finished. So it's fine to presume. So these are the 12 words that are effectively my wallet. Okay, so what I would need to do is I need to write these down, okay, and use them to type into a new wallet if I wanted to start it again. Okay, so say for example I lost access to this particular wallet on this device, my laptop was stolen, etc. I could just type these words into any wallet using that import feature that I mentioned, and my assets would appear. Okay, now I wouldn't have to do anything else other than type these in. Now naturally you need to keep these very safe for your wallets because they literally could allow anyone to access your crypto. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write these down. I'm going to pause this video, write these down, and then click start backup, and then I'll have to input them in order so that the computer knows and the blockchain knows that I have stored them successfully. Okay, so I have noted those words down. Now I'm going to start backup, and I have to drag and drop or click the words in the correct order that they were presented to me on the previous page. So let's have a look at the words I noted down. I had root, category, film, master, idle, still, resist, profit, when, pony, popular, and about. And once that's done, I can click confirm, and I've now got my phrase that I can theoretically use in order to recover this wallet. Okay, I can also, if I want to, export the mnemonic phrase using this QR code. So if I've got a phone, I can take a photo of it, and then if I need to on another wallet, I can just synchronize those two wallets. Okay, so let's close that down and we can go back. So that is now a functioning wallet where I can add as many different cryptocurrencies as I wish that are supported, and I can just type in my password, and that will store my cryptocurrencies, or at least provide access to my cryptocurrencies for me through this system. Okay.